Hi, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax in Pompano Beach, Florida. Going to show you a brand new 2020 Boston Whaler 130 Sport. Boat is equipped as you see it, cooler with cooler seats, lockable front storage hatch, bimini top, and 2 flip down seats at the helm. Super easy boat. It's got the synthetic teak package on the back swim steps, which is really nice on your feet when you're getting in and out of the water. 40 horse Mercury 4-stroke on the back. Boat's also equipped with the trailer, comes with it. It's got this multi-tone gel coat, glacier green and white. It's a beautiful looking boat, perfect for cruising South Florida waterways and intercoastal. Go to lunch, go to dinner, go to the sandbar, do some just cruising, look at the real estate. Perfect boat, unsinkable Boston Whaler here at MarineMax, Pompano Beach, your Boston Whaler mega store. Give me a call, 954-633-2070.